Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on SLP token. Earlier we were watching that the price line of SLP is moving in a falling wedge pattern. This is the resistance of this falling wedge. And here we have the support. And I was telling you that I'm waiting for this resistance to be broken out. Then we can expect another big move to break out the key resistance. That is at 6 cents. And we can see that the price line after this rejection that we had here on 16th of January did not test this support of the falling wedge. And the reason is that we have found another support here. And the price line is bounced by this support. We have touched here. We have tested the support here. And last time we have tested the support here in the previous candlestick. And the price line is moving up to break out the resistance, or at least to make another attempt to break out. And at the same time, this situation is really interesting that the Bitcoin is also reached the resistance of the down channel. We can see that the Bitcoin entered in this channel here on 8th of November. We have so many rejections and we have so many touch points at the support as well. This time Bitcoin also did the same like SLP is doing. Bitcoin has also found a support here, and you can see that we have so many touch points, and this is the support that is preventing the Bitcoin to reach the resistance. And this is another formation of a symmetrical triangle. If we switch to the 4-hourly time frame, then this move will be more visible, and right now you can see that Bitcoin is breaking out this resistance of the symmetrical triangle. Now if the Bitcoin breaks it out, then there will be a very high probability that SLP will also follow this move and it also break out this resistance. Now if we take a look at the key resistance that I'm waiting for, that is also very high from here. We are moving approximately at 2 cents, 1.8 cents, and we have the key resistance at 6 cents. And previously you can see that the 6 cents has been working as a very strong support. Whenever the price line was touching 6 cents, we had very nice rallies. We had, let me show you this rally. If I place this measurement tool from this low to this high, then we can see that this rally was more than 560%. And again, if I place here, then after touching here, we had a short rally that was more than 78%. Again, the price line tested the 6 cent support here, and we had another rally that was approximately 120%. And finally here, after so many touch points or testing this support, the price line finally broke it down. And now this 6 cent can work as a very strong resistance for the price line, because previously it was working as a key support. So next few hours are really very important, as the Bitcoin is also breaking out and the SLP is also getting bounced by the support. And after breaking out this resistance, it can touch this very strong key resistance of 6 cents as well. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas on the daily basis. You can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.